Surveying is one of those things that many people don't know a lot about.
It's a pretty varied profession. It's not what many people think when they're driving down the road and seeing the surveyor set up their instruments.
The best way I can describe it is the measurement of land. It started out with subdividing up land, then it turned into staking out people's property. Now you have aspects of aerial surveying.
It can be very high-tech, it can be very low-tech. There's a legal aspect to it. We teach the students instrument use, legal terms. We teach them adjustment calculations, use of GIS, geographic information systems.
You can design roads, you can design buildings, you can design sewer systems, dams. Anything that needs to be built, you call a surveyor.
When they first start out, they're going to use some of the basic equipment. As we get further into the program, we start getting into using our high accuracy GPS units and then our robotic total stations.
For many of the classes that the students enjoy are the outdoors classes where we use GPS or robotic stations.
A surveying engineering major needs to take computer mapping courses, legal aspects of survey, photogrammetry, which is taking pictures from the sky. The biggest one is math. We need to go to Calc 3 and the differential equations.
There are a ton of different opportunities within surveying.
Once students finish over here, again, they can go and acquire their professional surveyor's license.
There's topography, there's your boundary surveyors, aerial, photogrammetry, LiDAR scanning.
You are free to do pretty much whatever you want with this degree.
Ferris has a long history of producing great surveyors.
It's probably one of the most sought after professions right now. Their demand for professional surveyors is through the roof.
Every single one of our graduating students has a job already, and they haven't even graduated yet. We get more job offers than we have students for.
I do like the professors. They dedicate a lot of time to teaching.
They're going to challenge you any way they can.
I learn a lot from them as well, and I think that's probably my favorite part, is because not only am I teaching them things, but I'm also learning things from them every day, and I love that.
It's enjoyable to see how the students develop from the sophomore or freshman stage to basically doing a capstone project.
The Michigan Society of Professional Surveyors met in Traverse City this year. They come in, they have presentations, they talk about any and all subjects.
It's a great time to catch up with your fellow surveyors and talk about jobs and just come together as a community. And that's what I would call the surveying industry. It's a tight community and everybody knows everyone.
People should care about surveying because without surveying, nothing happens.
You get to see some of the coolest things working out in the field. You get to do a lot with what you learn in school and then put it out in the real world.
People who graduated from this program have gone on to own their own land surveying companies to become professional engineers. We are entrenched in history of surveying at Ferris State University.